long-winded intros. Dior Baird's in the house, period. Look at that.
Hello. Comic-Con last weekend.
I was at Big Apple Comic-Con, and I had the most interesting group of people, men and women, but there was this guy who came up to me, and I was signing the DVD covers, the Blu-ray covers, and there's this guy that was super suave, and he came up to me, and I hope you see this. He was like so cool, but like so nervous and like shaking, and it was so obvious. He was like, "So how do you pronounce your name?" I was like, "Dior Baird." He's like, "Is that Irish, Scottish?" I was like, yeah, sure, why not? He was like, "Oh, I knew it. Are you in this movie?" And I was like, "Yeah, that's why everyone's in line, promoting." He was like, "I have to admit, I don't know who you are." I was like, "All right, cool." And he just sitting there like, "What do you want? Like, what is going on?" And he was like, "So where do you live?" And he's like getting more and more shaky, and I'm like, "Oh my God, is he gonna like shank me? What's gonna happen?" Right. And then I was like, "Oh, I live in California." He was like, "Oh, I have a very important question to ask you. Are you single?"
It's important.
I was like, I'm just going to say no.
Okay.
I'm just going to say
For principle.
He got really mad, and he kind of crumpled up the paper, and I didn't even get to autograph it. And he stormed. I was like, "You don't want my autograph?" Well, okay. First of all, if you want to date with somebody who's an actress, pretend to know who they are. I think he was trying to be like super, super cool. And then there was this one guy.
Was he youngish, this guy?
He was like 30. He was young. Then there was this one guy who had he won't see this. He had an eye going up here and an eye going down.
You mean he can't see
this? And he had bottle cap glasses
Marty
on.
Feldman.
And he was so like sad and cute at the same time, and he kept asking me what magic I know how to do.
Oh yeah, magic everywhere in this big.
He was like, "You were a clown in children's parties, right?" And I was like, "Yeah, I was. He's like, "What kind of magic did you do?" But he was like really serious about this. I was like, "Oh, magic for 3-year-olds, not really magic." He came back like 10 minutes later and was like, "I just was curious if you could tell me about the magic you did." And I was like, "Oh, I don't even remember." And he was like, "Do you think you can do a magic movie and like play a magician?" And I was like, "Yeah, I'll do that.
Ooh.
I'll totally do that.
After I get back to the planet Earth.
I'll totally do that." So those are my fun.
Wow, did they have security for you?
They had one guy there, but the Brady Bunch was there, and some kid from Willy Wonka was there. I got to take a picture with the Brady Bunch.
Was Danny there?
It was.
I bet you Mr. Brady wasn't there.
No,
he's dead. That is very, very mean.
I'm just saying he wasn't.
That's not a nice thing to say.
Well, am I right?
This was going so nicely, talking about the blind man that's obsessed with magic. It was Greg.
It was
Peter.
Mike.
Definitely Peter.
Eve Plum.
The 3 boys.
Oh, that's it, 3 boys?
Yeah, just
so
the
Eve
3
Plum
boys.
and
Adrian
Kirk.
So much money. They make $1,000. I mean, $100 to take a photo with them.
And there's people lined up probably around.
No, not really.
Really?
Wow.
Well, they're there like all day.
Yeah.
Like I was there just for an hour, so it was like a special thing, and I didn't get paid. After I saw, I was like, wait a minute, I could have been charging.
Comic-Con is so dope. Like I went for for the first time this year as like a member of the press.
Did you go to San Diego?
Yeah,
I was there.
And it's like I was going.
He was watching you.
I went.
Yeah, you were following me. That's right. I remember.
No, but I did see a friend of ours' vagina.
What?
Oh.
We'll end there.
And then you tattooed it on your arm.
No, there was the forest of vaginas. A certain station was broadcasting from a big, like, elevated plateau, and she was wearing a very short skirt.
Oh, not good.
No, a television.
Oh, jeez.
Not good.
Does her last name rhyme with Munn?
Entertainment television.
Rhyme with Munn.